In this video, I'm going to show you how to play 1 versus 1 in Istanbul, guys. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using a phone, but you can do the exact process if you are on computer. So what you need to do is first enter on Istanbul, guys, and add your friend. Add the person that you want to play 1 versus 1. To make this, you need to come right here on friends, below party, so click on friends and click at the top right corner, add, on this green button. Here you need to type your friend name, okay? So for example, test, okay, and here you need to click invite right here. You will send a friend invite to your friend. Then you need to ask your friend to click on pending invites right here and accept your friend request. After doing that, come again on the main page and click on party below tournaments. So click on party. Here you can choose a normal game or a custom game. If you want to play 1 versus 1 in Istanbul, guys, custom game, select the second option. Not, click on the first option, normal game. So click, and here you just need to click invite right here on the green button that you will invite your friend. Then your friend just needs to accept your invite. Your friend will join on the party. Then you can click play right here to play 1 versus 1 in Istanbul, guys. I hope I helped you on how to play 1 versus 1 in Istanbul, guys. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.